this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got a really neat one. This hails from China. This is the very popular, from what I hear, Haichi Jiao Ma Go Ba Fen. And yeah, here's the art on the side. Am I doing this right? Yeah. Little magician guy. A rabbit out of a hat. And then right there it says, "Oh, the soup's gone. It's a blast." So yeah. Lots of stuff in here. So here we go. Let's prep this. So I had to watch a video on how to prepare this because the instructions on the side are a little skint, but I thought I would, you know, do it right. So we add everything in but one sachet. Got this liquid. I read that this is kind of like chicken flavor. But then it's also got like a crisp rice asset to it. But that goes in at the very end. It also doesn't say how long to steep this thing. I'm gonna do 5 minutes just to be on the safe side. And it also doesn't say how much water to add, so I'm just gonna put about halfway up, I don't know, to a logical spot. There's a lot of add-ins, so I think that should do okay. But when they don't tell you how much water to add, you just kinda wing it. I think it's probably gonna be close to 500 mils. Our veg mixture. I really like the one that I did the other day that had the what do you call it? Chrysanthemum in it. And then this one goes in at the end. This is a special crispy rice thing. I don't think it's like a Rice Krispie snack, but I suppose it could be. I really don't know. And then it comes with a sealed pouch of noodle, which are very hard to open without making a mess. I'm going to endeavor to do so, but generally I am very good at making a mess, so we'll see what happens. But amazingly, it's not even 8 a.m. and this is the third one of the day. I think the first one I did literally was like an open it up and eat it snack noodle. So that kind of helped that along. I kind of feel like I should do another one, but I'm good. Spend some extra time with the children. Get everything done nice and early. That's how I like to roll. And there we go. We got our noodle, we got our goos of different types. Lots of goo. Now we're gonna pour all this, maybe all this liquid in. Right about there. That looks feasible, logical, and good. So we'll give it a little bit of a thought of stirring, move it around a little bit. And lid it up for 5 minutes. And there we go. There we go. Here, now you can see all of me. So yeah, my plan today is to go out and do some hoofing around while my kids are at school. Yeah, should be good. So I've got these two really high-end Taiwanese varieties that I've reviewed multiple times, done nice images of, and I don't want them to expire. So there's the one that was number 2 on the top 10 list this year. The, what's it called? It's the Mom's Dry Noodle Scallop and Jiao Liquor Chicken Noodle Soup from Mom's Dry Noodle. That's it. And it's from Taiwan. And it's the noodle and then a bag that has all the soup in it. And you're supposed to add like 200 mils of water to it and cook it all together. But I thought, what if I use 200 mils of coconut milk and green curry paste? It sounds good to me. I think it's worth a shot. So, and then the other one is Asha Dry Noodles is it's a beef noodle. It's the red box one, and it's absolutely luxuriant, wonderful, and perfection. And I was thinking that one with coconut milk too. I don't know. Maybe I could put some. I mean, it's got really good beef in it. But that one you're not supposed to add any liquid to. So I don't know. Maybe I'll take a little liquid out and add in coconut milk. I really don't know. That one I want to do something. I want to doctor that one up too. But yeah, so I want to try these different ways of preparing these really super premium ones, because I generally don't have the chance to do anything like that. Usually I'll get a couple super premium ones. It's just like, that's all I got. I can't really run through it all, but luckily this time around I've got extra, so we'll give it a go. And they're in there yammering and cantankerousing. And yeah, it should be a good day. It says it's going to be in the upper 40s. I'm ready to go out walking. I didn't really do much anything yesterday. Got the kids off to school. My wife had the day off, so I thought, I'm going to kick it with my wife. We're going to have a nice day. And we did. So yeah. Yes. Family guy, that's me. And walking guy. And family and walking and family. A minute 40 left. What kind of weird stuff can I show you? Oh, I don't know. I've got the kitchen torch. You've seen that. Oh, where's that? I've got some neat fridge magnets. So I went to Thailand in 2015, and I got to, they had like a part where we all had dinner and they did karaoke. I didn't do the karaoke. They really like the Carpenters over there, and did a lot of karaoke. And you get prizes when you play these games. There was like, there was like fast pitch and throw the thing at the thing. It was fun. It was neat. A neat little fun event thing. This is one of the things I won. Little, I don't know what it's made out of, but it's a little golden Buddha. Yeah. And we rolled by that in the boat tour. That was neat. Then I've got this other one that I really like. Check that out. That was sent to me. I haven't been to Sarawak. Sarawak is like between the wait. I think it's between Brunei and the eastern portion of Malaysia, I think. And then north of Brunei are the Philippines. South of eastern Malaysia, there's peninsular Malaysia, so there's like Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore. And then there's like this rip over to the side that's more Malaysia. And then south is Indonesia. There you go. There's your geography lesson from the show. All right. So now let's give this a stir. It does not look like they were showing in the picture. It smells very strongly of Szechuan pepper. It is a mala one. And then we've got this crisp rice stuff. I'm going to try it without adding it in. No, does not taste like a Rice Krispie treat. But it's like, God, what do they call it? So if you're in South Korea or anywhere, and you get what's it called? Bibimbap. Like a bibimbap. And at the bottom of the bowl, if it's made in like a stone pot or clay pot, it'll have rice that kind of like stuck to it and it's crisp. And then you pour tea in there and stir it up, and I believe that's called nurungi. That's really groovy. Well, this isn't doing what it showed in the video. Very solid. It doesn't want to break up. Now I kind of wish I munched it up a bit. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, it just hit 8 o'clock. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Well, let's give this a try. Here's our noodle. This appears to be a sweet potato noodle. It's very hot. Here, let's let you get all up and personal in this. There we go. Back? Uh-oh. And then here's our broth with some of the rice on it. Let's give this a try. Mmm. Yeah, that's quite good. Hey, you be civil out there. I don't have to come out there and lay down the law. Miles, don't push your sister. Time out. Then be nice. Don't push each other. Don't have to bite anybody's eyes. That's my wasted threat. I'm gonna bite your eye. I'm not gonna bite your eye. Alright, whoa. Okay. Here we go. This is a really ancient bowl. I've been using this bowl for years. I want to say I've had this bowl like for, well, I know I've had it for quite a while. There we go. Now, I've got some chicken, and I'm going to throw it in the cup before I put everything in the bowl. I gotta say, it's quite good. I like this noodle. I'm impressed by this noodle. I can see why it's popular. I basically just baked some chicken and threw in some, what do you call it? I baked it with a little bit of Maggi seasoning on Which, you know, I always saw that stuff and I knew really nothing about it, and now I've learned that it is really good. Good old Maggie seasoning, which is now not good old, but good new to me. Boy, you don't want to let go, do you? Let it go, let it go. Don't need to be in that bowl no more. I've been indoctrinated. The children have indoctrinated me into their cult, ladies and gentlemen. Their cult of Disneyness. They really like the Frozen. They do. Wow, that's good. No wonder it's popular. Just a mound of spring onion. Booyah. And some sesame seed. And I think a little bit if I can find it. Why do I keep losing my garlic? Did I chuck it in favor of getting a new one? I may have. Oh God, I better not move that bag around. The guinea pigs will go nuts. Maybe I did get rid of it. That's really? Huh. I suppose I did. Well, looks like I need to get more of that. Anyways. Yeah, this is good stuff. I'm stoked I found this. I've seen people in the Ramen Junkies Facebook group, which you should join if you haven't already. Over 70,000 like-minded noodle fans and enthusiasts waiting for you to say, I made this last night, how does it look? And cut you down like nothing else. They're hardcore in there, I swear. People are picky. I am too, but... Alright, here we go. Well, thank you so much for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Yeah, keep your eye out for this. If you find it, there's 4 varieties. I've got all 4. I think I might just have to spin through all of them now. But, yeah, cool. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.